Everton's new stadium isn't just construction, it's a legacy in the making. From the pitch-ready field to 36,000 personalized stones, this place is being built with heart. But here's the kicker. The first test event is just weeks away. So, what's the latest? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the pitch. It's not just any pitch, it's the pitch. The lines are painted, the goalposts are up, and it's starting to look like the real deal. This is where history will be made, where players will score, and where fans will lose their voices cheering. But it's not just about the grass, it's about what's underneath. The drainage systems, the heating tech, and the precision engineering that'll keep this pitch perfect, no matter the weather. Now, let's move to Everton Way. This isn't just a walkway, it's a tribute. Over 36,000 personalized granite stones, each one telling a story. Births, marriages, anniversaries, and memories of loved ones. This is where Evertonians leave their mark. And because of the overwhelming demand, the walkway was widened to make sure no story was left out. Inside the stadium, the home dressing room is shaping up to be world-class. Think hydrotherapy pools, state-of-the-art facilities, and spaces designed to give players every advantage. But it's not just about the home team. The away dressing room, media areas, and interview booths are all getting the same level of attention. And let's not forget the big moment coming up, the first test event. This is where everything gets put to the test. Safety checks, crowd management, and making sure every detail is perfect before the real action begins. It's a huge step, and it's happening in less than 2 weeks. So, what's the takeaway? Everton's new stadium isn't just a building, it's a symbol of progress, of community, and of a club ready to write its next chapter. From the pitch to the personalized stones, every detail is being crafted with care. And with the first test event around the corner, the excitement is real. This isn't just a stadium, it's the future of Everton. Want to see more updates like this? Hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next big reveal.